It's a birds of prey. It's a hunting snake chick.
Hindi lumilipad yan, kuya?
So nakatali po sila ma'am kasi yun po yung concept na para safe po yung mga ibang ayok. Because meron po kasi tayong mga domesticated birds and mga
So kumakain lang yan?
na mga live animals like iba-iba po yung mga raptors na kinakain. They eat a chick, snake, and mice. Yes. Yes. So defense mechanism our talons or claws and eat and this one is invisible birds. Invisible. This is jumping. Look at that. Jumping.
Wala? Ba't wala?
The peregrine falcon. Oh, this one is a Eclectus parrot, bluelip, and blueback. These are training to talking. But
Sige, baby.
it's not a train. Because it's a baby. This one is a sun conure birds. So please. Sun conure birds is a combination of
Sophie, look at the bird, sweetheart. Tingnan mo, anak, ho?
You want to take a picture, little girl? Go like this. Okay. Oh. Take a picture.
Kayong bahala sa picture o sa video.
Okay. And about you? Your turn. Oh. Baby. Why? Aray ko. Yan ang head.
여기 봐 가나.
Oh, it's pupu. About you? Ayaw niya sa dito. Oh, it's head.
Nagpupo?
Ay, nagpupu.
Baby, your turn.
Tignan natin.
Smallest baby.
Your turn.
Your turn.
Sun conure birds. Okay. Oh, no. Okay, down, baby. Down. Baby. Down.
Paano pag lumipad yan?
Baby, down. Down.
Wow, galing!
Go inside, baby. Go inside. Go inside. Oh.
Galing!
Now, this one is a brand new kind. So, belong a family of raptors and then on birds of prey. It's a hunting animals. It's a bat, fish, and small birds. So, diet, ma'am. This one sa Philippines, madam, pag ano, para kumasagan. Pag nag-picture po ay ma'am, pwede mo kaya. Tapos, i-zoom naman na konti. Ayan. Para yung concept po niya, madam.
Sophie, dito na. Pasok. Huwag ka na.
Pagkikita ko po kasi yung
Cats narinig mo.
Dito si Sophie.
marami tingnan, may lupa.
Sophie, dito ka nga, anak!
So this one sa Philippines, cut out. The smallest of all here in the Philippines. Siya nocturnal animals or active at night. Yan. So diet, ma'am, small lizard, small rat, and meat. Sa eyeball, ma'am, is not moving, but they're around 270 degrees. Your neck. Like this, ma'am. Oh, yung slippers niya, baby, yung slippers niya. Like this, oh, ma'am. Like this. Look at the head, ma'am. Baby. Oh, what happened to you, my friend? This one.
Looks like Harry Potter's.
Yeah, Harry Potter.
Harry Potter, mom.
Yeah.
Philippine grass owl. This one's a Philippine eagle owl, the biggest owl here in the Philippines.
Eagle
It's called me a
owl.
Philippine eagle. Look at
Grabe
the feathers
naman ang
like a
mata niya.
Philippine eagle. So diet, mom, more rat, meat, and these are more birds. You want
Hindi
to take a
nangangagat yan,
picture,
kuya?
ma'am?
Yeah.
Ay, patay.
Bakit?
Wala po nakamangga sa inyo. Like this, mama.
네가 이거 소리가
Ah, no. Sophie. Walang nakabangga sa atin.
Yeah, nulot baby in hand. You take a picture. Oh. Yo, I love you, baby.
Doesn't bite. Saan dito kayo? Di naman nangangaga. Dito kayo, tabi kayo. Oh.
With Kuya Resty.
Yeah.
Okay,
Sophie!
say cheese.
Sophie, you join them, anak. Doon ka kay
Show your
ate.
teeth, little girl.
She's scared.
Okay.
No, it's not scary. Di naman scary.
Say cheese. Say cheese. Okay, back. Baby.
Wow,
Mama ko naman, you take